The iPhone 16 Pro came out totally humiliated from a comparison with Genshin Impact against the OPPO Find X8 Pro, which in fact is yet to be unveiled. There is a very popular channel in China focused on technology called YLab, and it seems that he was able to have an official early access to the OPPO Find X8 Pro to test it head-to-head against the iPhone 16 Pro. But this was a fully measured test through specialized software, which was able to show the graph of the behavior that have the frames per second of both devices. I remind you that OPPO Find X8 Pro will have the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor, while the iPhone 16 Pro integrates the Apple A18 Pro. It should be noted that this person set the air conditioning to 30 degrees Celsius to be in a warm environment, and although in different games that was running the behavior was going to be very similar, the most important difference was noticed when running Genshin Impact, which as you know is one of the most demanding games if you set it to the highest graphics quality supported. And it's worth noting that they didn't set the iPhone to 120 frames per second, which would be its maximum supported capability, but instead set it to 60 frames per second to be on par with the OPPO Find X8 Pro. And in the graph, it is perfectly observed how the iPhone, although it manages to maintain a constant performance for about 5 minutes, the total game of 30 minutes had much greater instability after 5 minutes, where much more fluctuations are seen and the device no longer manages to reach the 60 frames per second. On the other hand, in the same graph, they place the behavior that had the OPPO Find X8 Pro in blue color and observe how it managed to maintain a practically perfect stability. There are very few peaks downwards and they really don't go as low as it went down on the iPhone. So this might have two explanations that might even be explanations collectively. Either the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 is indeed a complete beast, or also OPPO managed to have a perfect system of optimizing resources when gaming. We will have to wait for other manufacturers to use this same processor to know if they managed to have this same level of performance, because for now it is surprising a lot.